Philippines.
Oh,
Philippines.
welcome to Philippines. Goodbye. 안녕히 가세요.
안녕하세요.
Your friend and the mother, father, same.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. 감사합니다. May mga pagkakataong ganyan na very friendly yung mga Koreans. You know, warm. Kasi diba, sometimes we think of them as cold. Although may iba na parang, alam niyo yun, nonchalant. Pero may iba naman na like him, na super friendly, who will really strike a conversation. Hey guys, ayan. Wait, ang mga tao dito, binigyan tayo ng Easter egg. Kasi Easter Sunday ngayon. Easter egg. On the house?
On the house.
와, 감사합니다. 감사합니다, CEO. 대표님? 대표님? 당신은 좋은 사람이에요.
좋은
You're a good
사람이에요.
person. Thank you. Very kind, yeah.
You too.
감사합니다. Oh my God! 안녕하세요.
How are
I'm good. My gosh, it's my last day today. What does INSA mean again?
So inside is short for insider. So
Insider.
basically, the opposite term is outsider, asa. So inside is the person that is really outgoing and always like talk to friends. Like they have everyone to meet them wherever they are. So he's like a global insta.
Global
And
Insa.
Asa.
Hello. Nice to meet you. Super nice to meet you. Again.
I like activities.
Activity.
I recommend the fishing.
Fishing. I heard you. You always go out clubbing.
No, I'm not. If you mean Hongdae fuckboy, Chris always
really?
mentioned before.
Team Jangnim.
The last time you visited South Korea is Apgujeong, right?
Oh my gosh, you guys love Apgujeong. So this is Apgujeong. Kamsamnida. Team Jangnim, kamsamnida. Bye-bye. Grabe, super busog. Sa chikahan talaga. Ibang level. I so love my Korean workmates, teammates. So si Casey, nasa TikTok na siya ngayon. Pero we're still friends. It's nice to still be friends with Korean workmates. Yes, you will go to the Philippines. And it's an honor for us because Hunjun is a homebody. And he met us like tonight. If you insist, how could I resist? In fair naman sa store na to, libre pa tayo ng isang Gohong Yuzu Sour. You are the brother of the owner. Invite our Filipino friends to come.
Please visit our place.
Visit your place. Thank you. Bye-bye. Ang bait. Kaya pala ang bait niya kasi kapatid niya yung owner. Ang pogi. Na-starstruck ka.